temperature is 145 degrees for eggs. And so you're going to be looking just to make sure that these guys are starting to come off the bottom and start to float. And 2, 3. You guys done? Get them over there. Could you take all of that out of here? All of it. The spoons, that, good. Thank you. And we got somebody on this team cleaning and sanitizing. And I'm going to give you this saute pan back. You're going to put those 3 pads of butter in it, okay? And you're going to go back over to the heat. And then
powdered sugar on top. Yeah. I don't know if there's any in that one. Yeah.
From this side or the other side?
You like here.
No, I'm saying from this side or you want the other side?
I don't think it matters. But probably on the back.
and you go through the cooking process. That whole culinary journey ends on the plate, okay? And at my house, I plate food. I practice. Now, I practice all kinds of things. And so when you've got a sauce, you may decide to take your sauce. This is a little thicker than we've let it reduce. It's very glazy. And put it on your plate, and you can swirl it a little, like so. And if it's in a squirt bottle, you can paint the plate type of thing, okay? And then you're going to want to arrange them, you know, if they're able to stand up. You've got a round plate, you've got 3 pieces. You know, you may stand them up, you may layer them on top of each other. When you've got a platter, you want to follow the circumference. If you'd like to try to press in, please. Yep. Yeah. Yeah. Just get it right there. Good. Over it.
I'm Mike.
I'm Raquel.
I'm from Donner South.
I'm Dallas North.
So what did you do today?
Culinary Institute of America came in and basically did a whole presentation, and we ended up making here is a Nutella and strawberry wonton.
Which I deep fried. It's really good.
We also made cream cheese wontons and pumpkin ravioli. So
what was the best part of it, do you think?
for me, it was just kind of cooking in general.
Yeah, just preparing and making it, just cooking it.
Had either of you ever done anything like this before?
I made egg rolls before, just the closest thing to
This
this.
is actually my first time making something like this, and it was really awesome.
So what do you plan to do after high school? Do you know yet?
I'm planning to go to the Culinary Institute of America. Spent 2 years there and major in culinary arts.
I'm probably going to COD for culinary arts and then transfer into a different school for business.
Thank you guys. Enjoy your food.